everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing out this new Jason Wu palette. This is from Target. I did see that it's available on Beautylish also, because I thought it was a Target exclusive, but it is available on Beautylish. I got the all matte palette. This is the, I think it's the Flora 9. This is the box it came in, and see it says Flora 9, but then over here it says matte agave. So I don't know which one is the actual color or name, but this is what we're testing out today. So I have already done my base, which is my CeraVe moisturizer, my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder, and my Urban Decay all-nighter spray. So we are ready for our primer, and I'm going to use my Tarte base tape primer real quick. Oh, I was going to pull my hair back. This is what my hair looks like when I get out of the shower and I don't do anything to it. I just let it dry. I'll just put my glasses on and let them hold my hair back. Oh, okay. And for my foundation, I think I'm going to use this one again. This is my Estee Lauder Futurist, because I've been really dry lately, and this is supposed to have hyaluronic acid in it. I mean Hydra Rescue. I can't read it. Moisturizing makeup, broad spectrum, 45. Okay, it doesn't say anything about, I thought it did. And the color I've got is Desert Beige. Anyway, we're gonna use that. Ugh, my hair itches my face. And I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand, about a pump and a half. It's really runny, so I have to be quick with it. Grab a brush and just spread this out. Let's go in with my Pat McGrath concealer. I did try the Anastasia again, and it still doesn't have enough coverage for me. Now I'm just going to go in with my sponge, which is a little bit wet. So let's go in and blend this out. And then I always put concealer on my lid because I have a lot of discoloration. Purple eyelids where the skin has thinned. Because of my age, I didn't used to have purple eyelids when I was younger. There's a lot of things I didn't used to have that I have now. So now we're going in with my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. Just gonna smooth out all these lines. This stuff's so good. Finish off my face real quick with my good old standbys that I love. I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown bronzer. Now I'm going to go in with my Dallas from Benefit blush. Just blend that right into that Bobbi Brown. And I'm going to take my dual fiber brush and just kind of blend that in to look more natural. And now I'm going to add a little bit of highlight, and I'm using my Dandelion highlight from Benefit. Now, Benefit has an eyeshadow. Was it an eyeshadow? Or a blush. I think it was a blush that's called Dandelion too, because I accidentally bought that once. And it was not this. So, just so you know. And we are ready to start our eyes. So, I think to start, I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil from Milani and do our eyebrows real quick before we start the shadows. We're going to hope this is a quick and good brow day. So I'm going to start off with this lightest color and just put this over my whole lid. Even though I put powder there, I just want to make sure it's set. And it gives me a feel for the shadow too. How much pigment it has and how well it covers. Seems pretty good. I don't think it has excessive pigment, as you can see from the two. Not a lot of difference. Which is why I put concealer, because there's a lot there to cover. Okay, so next, let's go into, I think we're gonna go into this kind of mustardy colored one here and put that in my crease. Actually, I think I'm gonna use this for a transition. So I wanna tap it off pretty good and then start in my crease. Hold my skin so it doesn't wrinkle and get lines in it. And I'm going to pull it up really high, almost to the brow. And I'm going to put it over the outer corner of my lid, over here, all the way like halfway in. Okay. So now I'm going to take a smaller brush, this guy, and I'm going to go into this one right here. It's a little bit darker, and I'm going to put that in the crease to just darken it up a little. And this I'm going to pull up not as high as the other one, but up enough that you'll be able to see it with my eyes open. Okay, now I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and just blend all that even more. Now I'm going to go into this dark brown color in the corner. This one right here. And I am just going to pack this in the outer V. Starting right near my lash line and just kind of packing it there. And then pulling it in and up. Just like that. And then I'm going to take that fluffy brush and blend it a little bit. Just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with, I think, some of this nude color right here. It's kind of pinky nude. And I'm gonna put it on my finger, and I'm gonna put it on the inner portion. And blend it over. All right, I like it. It's very pigmented. You get a lot of color. You get a lot of color with it. So let's go into some liner. We're gonna push line with my Maybelline Tattoo Gel Liner. And to push line, you put your little finger on your lid and you push, and it kind of rolls that lash up around your finger. And then you can draw down between the lashes to get that skin, so that when you put on your mascara or lashes, you don't see the skin between your lashes. And then I'm going to take my flat brush, this flat brush, and I'm going to go and I'm going to smudge that gel liner that I just put in. I'm just going to go back and forth with my brush. Okay, I'm going to step off camera and put on some lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. I put on my lashes. I put mascara on first, and I used my Grande Lash mascara. Then I put on these lashes. I didn't put on the Kiss lashes this time because I thought with a matte look we want to go with the natural one. So I put these Ardell Naked Lashes number 421. These are the ones I always use when I put them underneath when I'm doing my DIY extensions. I really like these, but I'm really trying to let my natural lashes grow back, and they're taking forever. So anyway, on my lips, I put on this NARS pencil, and it is in the color Cruella. I'm not sure if it's still available. I've had it for a very long time. And then I put this City Lips San Diego on top of it, because it was a little bit dark red, and I kind of wanted it to match the shirt color red. So I put those two on. Now we're going to go back in with our Jason Wu palette, and we're going to use this color, which was the darker crease color, and I'm going to put a little bit underneath. And then we'll be done. But I just want to pull this together out here and pull it in about halfway. I always say I'm going to pull it in halfway, and then I usually go all the way across, but that's the plan. It's just to pull that up, pull it together, and then just add a little dimension underneath. And pull those two together. Just like that. And we're done. That's all. That's all there is for today's look. That and my crazy hair. I think I'm going to straighten it. I haven't worn it straight in a long time. I don't know though. I'll probably just pull it back in a ponytail like I always do. And call it good. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I am giving this a thumbs up. I don't know why I forgot to do that, but it's got a lot of pigment. You guys can see it looks really nice. It blends really well. I really like it. I think there were some other ones, but this was the only one that was all matte. So, and it was $14.99. I forgot to tell you that too. At Target, it's $14.99. Of course, my Target didn't have it, so I had to order it online. So you may be able to find it with a coupon or something at Target. But it's a really nice palette, a go-to palette for like if you have to go to work every day. Something that can be up or down. I mean, you know, bolded up or tone it down with the lighter colors. I wore it one other time before I did this video, and I used all the light colors because I just wanted a really natural look, and I liked it then too. So this one definitely is getting a thumbs up. Anyways, that's it. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!